Hello everyone, welcome you all to Agrick. So in this video we will do most probable questions based on PYQs for AFO mains, and this is also useful for IFFCO AGT mains exam as well as CCI JCE. Okay. And CRIBCO as well. Okay, so what we'll do, we will pick one PYQ and one question of PYQ, and from that one question we will get five similar questions. Okay, so five expected MCQs from one PYQ, and like that we will do many PYQs. Okay, so let us start. And if you're new here, then do subscribe to our channel. First is, this has been asked in 2020. Which fungus plays a key role in biological control of cotton bollworm? So, which fungus plays a role in biological control? Options are Beauveria bassiana, Trichoderma viride, Aspergillus niger, Puccinia graminis, or Fusarium oxysporum. The right answer here is Beauveria bassiana. Beauveria bassiana is also known for causing white muscardine disease in silkworms. ठीक है? So Beauveria bassiana ये एक fungus है that is used to control cotton bollworm, used as a biological control agent, right? Next, Trichoderma viride. So this is also a biological control agent, and it is used to it is also a fungus, and it is used as an antifungal, control soil borne pathogens, and prevents root rot, damping of wilt diseases, and all those things. Okay. Aspergillus niger, it causes black mold on certain fruits and vegetables as well. Okay. Puccinia graminis तो हम सब जानते हैं black rust of wheat cause करती है. And Fusarium oxysporum, ये जो है it causes Fusarium wilt and infect solanaceous crops and weeds as well. Okay. Next question is, Trichoderma herzianum is primarily used for control of which plant disease? So this is a question, similar question based on the PYQ asked in 2020 in AFO mains. Trichoderma herzianum is primarily used for controlling which plant disease? It is used, as I just told you in the previous question, that Trichoderma is used for soil-borne pathogens, root rot, and damping of prevention. It is used. Okay, so option number B will be the right answer. Next is, nuclear polyhedrovirus (NPV) is a biocontrol agent for which pest group? So it is the biocontrol agent best known for Lepidopteran larvae. NPV, remember, NPV is related to Lepidopteran larvae. Next is, which parasitoid is commonly used for biological control of sugarcane top borer? So which parasitoid is responsible for control of sugarcane top borer? The right answer here is Chilonas. Okay, Chilonas blackburni is responsible for controlling sugarcane top borer. It is mostly known, there are various parasitoids that control sugarcane top borer, but most commonly used one is Chilonas blackburni. Remember this. Okay. Next, PYQ is also asked in 2020 is, aphid is a vector for which disease in tobacco? So which disease is spread by aphid in tobacco? Leaf curl, rosette, root burn, brown spot, or cucumber mosaic virus? Right answer is cucumber mosaic virus. So cucumber mosaic virus is transmitted by aphids in tobacco, and aphids are more active in warm summer conditions and increase their population as well as spread the virus more. Option E is the right answer. Now, a similar question regarding to that PYQ is, white fly transmits which viral disease of cotton? So, white fly is responsible for transmitting which disease in cotton? It is cotton leaf curl virus. Okay. Next is thrips. Thrips act as vector for which disease in groundnuts? Peanut bud necrosis, rust, yellow vein mosaic, collar rot, or bacterial blight? So ये ऑप्शन यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है पीनट बड नेक्रोसिस, बट basically it is called as GBNV, groundnut bud necrosis virus, and it is mainly responsible for transmitting this one only. Okay, so thrips are responsible for being a vector for disease groundnut bud necrosis virus. Okay, option A. Next is BPH or brown plant hopper is responsible for transmitting which disease in rice? Rice tongue, false smut, brown spot, grassy stunt, or शीत ब्लाइट, सो बीपीएच से हम रिलेट कर सकते हैं. वन इज कॉल्ड हॉपर बर्न, and it is also responsible for transmission of grassy stunt virus, also called as ragged stunt virus, right? So BPH can be related to that. What is the scientific name of BPH? It is Nila Parvata lugens. Nila Parvata lugens, right? Rice tungro virus is transmitted by green leaf hopper. Nephotetics virusens, and it transmits tungro virus, rice tungro virus. And false smut is caused by Ustilago noidea virens, right? Then brown spot caused by Helminthosporium oryzae. Helminthosporium oryzae. Sheath blight, Rhizoctonia solani. Solani, right? So let us revise once again. Brown plant hopper Nila Parvata lugens is responsible for hopper burn as well as the transmission of grassy stunt virus. Tungro virus is transmitted by green leaf hopper or Nephotetics virusens. False smut is caused by Ustilagonoidea virens. Brown spot is transmitted by Helminthosporium oryzae, and sheath blight is transmitted by Rhizoctonia solani. Next is Xanthomonas oryzae is causal organism of which disease in rice? It is bacterial leaf blight, okay, or called as Cresek disease in rice. Xanthomonas oryzae, uh, Pathovar oryzae is responsible for causing bacterial leaf blight in rice, okay. And rice tungro we just studied. Rice blast or neck blast is caused by Magnaportha oryzae. Magnaportha oryzae, right? Next is leaf streak. It is also caused by Xanthomonas oryzae, but it's not a major disease. You can say it is minor disease. You can say. So Xanthomonas oryzae, Pathovar oryzae cola. Okay, and this is Xanthomonas oryzae, Pathovar oryzae. Okay, then sheath rot caused by Sarocladium oryzae. Right. Next is green peach aphid is a vector of which disease in potatoes? Although it is directly responsible for transmission of potato leaf roll virus, but since it is not present here, potato leaf roll virus primarily, but since it is not present here, so it is also responsible for transmitting mosaic viruses. Okay. Next PYQ is which of the following is not a bacterial disease? Not coccidiosis, bacillus, anthrax, septicemia, or all of the above. So the answer is very obvious. It is coccidiosis. It is caused by a protozoa. Protozoa. It is a intestinal disease. Coccidiosis is a intestinal disease caused by coccidia, a protozoal parasite that lives in the intestines of intestinal walls of the animal, and it's mostly common in young animals that haven't developed the immunity yet. Okay. Next is which of the following is a fungal disease of plants? Citrus canker, loose smut of wheat, tobacco mosaic, mastitis, or ranikhet. First of all, mastitis and ranikhet, these are animals disease, right? Tobacco mosaic is caused by virus, so this can be eliminated. Citrus canker is caused by bacteria, caused by Xanthomonas citri, Pathovar citri, citrus canker. So we are left with only one, that is loose smut of wheat. The causal organism behind loose smut of wheat is Astilago tritici, right? So it is a fungal disease. Option B. Next is foot and mouth disease in cattle is caused by bacteria, virus, fungus, protozoa or nematode. It is caused by a virus. Okay. And what is the vaccine that is available for foot and mouth disease? It is okay, wait, not S, it is Raksha Ovac. Raksha Ovac, right? पहले तो वो 4 months में दिया जाता है, 4 months में फर्स्ट टाइम दिया जाता है, देन नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दिस प्राइमरी डोज बूस्टर डोज दिया जाता है आफ्टर 1 month ऑफ प्राइमरी, एंड देन एवरी 6 months रिपीट किया जाता है, एवरी 6 months after that. Okay. Next is, which of the following is a viral disease of plants? Root rot, powdery mildew, leaf curl of cotton, tundu disease of wheat or ergot. We will start from the end option. Ergot is caused by a parasitic fungus called as claviceps. Claviceps. Next, tundu disease. It is caused by a nematode. Nematode, Anguina tritici. Right? Then leaf curl of cotton. This is caused by a virus. पाउडरी मिल्ड्यू तो फंगल है, बहुत सारे फंगस इसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं. ओके. एंड रूट रॉट अगेन इज कॉज्ड बाय फंगस ओनली. नेक्स्ट इज, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ बैक्टीरियल डिजीज ऑफ प्लांट? डाउनी मिल्ड्यू, रस्ट, fire blight of apple, mosaic of tobacco, wilt of pigeon pea. So some of the options you can very easily eliminate, like a rust you can eliminate, it is caused by fungus. Mosaic is caused by virus. Downy mildew is fungal, it is caused by fungal organisms, Umycota genera. Okay. Wilt of pigeon pea is again a fungal disease. It is also called as fusarium wilt that we just talked about. Fusarium wilt, and it is caused by a fungus, Fusarium udum. Okay. So we are left with only one option, that is fire blight of apple. Fire blight of apple, for which the causal organism is Erwinia amylovora. Amylovora. Okay. Erwinia amylovora is the causal organism of fire blight of apple. Next is, which of the following is not a fungal disease? Not. Ergot of bajra, we just studied, it is fungal. Then red rot of sugarcane, it is also fungal. Tikka disease, again fungal. And blast of rice, again fungal, caused by Magnaportha oryzae, also known as Pyricularia oryzae. Okay. So we are left with citrus canker, Xanthomonas cytri, Pathovar cytri. Okay, option number D. Next is, blossom end rot is a problem in which crop due to deficiency of which mineral? The right answer here is tomato and calcium. Right? Now next similar question is, fruit cracking in pomegranate is due to deficiency of which? So fruit cracking, we all know that it is due to deficiency of boron. Well known, it's well established. Next is bitter pit in apple is due to deficiency of which of the nutrient? Related to calcium it is. Okay. Calcium की कमी अगर होगी तो it will cause bitter pit in apples. Okay. And option B is the right answer. Next is, cracking of fruits is mainly due to deficiency of, so we just studied fruit cracking is mainly boron deficiency, right? And the last question of today is, internal necrosis in mango is associated with deficiency of which crop? Which mineral? Again it is boron, right? Option number B. Internal necrosis in mango, as well as another disease, that is internal cork in apple. Internal cork in apple is also caused due to boron deficiency. Okay. So apart from this, internal cork also from boron deficiency. So boron causes fruit cracking also, and internal necrosis in mango, as well as internal cork in apple too. Okay. So I hope you liked the session, found it useful. Subscribe here if you have not yet subscribed. and share it with your friends. Thank you.